Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Hema, and this April month is almost gonna end, but just now I received my April Glamitup Organo Box, and it is due to some internal postages issue, and also it is delayed, like it was sent in the third dispatch by Glamitup, so it took some time for me to reach my area. And I'm gonna show you the package, how it came in first. This is the package which I got. Everything I take, everything is out now, and like normal postal package. And there was layers and layers of covers and bubble wrappings. Everything was there. That was really good, but still a little bit of that Rosemary shampoo, I think that is one of the product which is leaking a very little bit, but that is due to transit. I'm not going to complain about that. And let me quickly show you one by one what all I got. But there is some few suggestions to the Glamitup box, which I have already contacted them via WhatsApp, and I did explain what happened in each and every product, and I expressed my suggestion and feeling about how this should be changed in future, and they did accepted this. But however, I want to share that with you people. I just want to let you know what exactly I felt when I received this box. So without any further delay, let's get started. My first product is this Glow Girl mud mask, and this is how it is. And everybody was telling good reviews about this. Oh, it's really tight. I'm unable to open it. Let me open it here, guys. It's really tight, and I didn't open it yet, so I'm unable to open this, guys. I'm sorry. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna try it on me, but I have a little fear now to try these products, but I will let you know what is that at the end of the video. But let's continue with the product list. So on the photograph and the videos which is shared by different YouTubers and by the Glamitup itself, this was a different box, not like this, but it's like a different box with some printed sheet pasted on it, but it doesn't have any such box. This is my first suggestion to them. If she's gonna use this tub for everyone, it should be for everyone. And if she's gonna use a different tub for everyone, it should be same, like whatever they show, it should be there. I understand that they are doing it from the home, and she's going up now, and she, probably the third dispatch should have run out of that box, and she used it. It doesn't matter about the box, but when we grow up, that is very important that we should keep up the same packaging so that everybody will feel good. Because when I saw something in YouTube or in a picture, I expect that to be received in the same way. That's how every customer thinks, right? So that is the first suggestion I gave it to her. She did say, okay, we are working on the packaging and these info cards and all. And sadly, there was no info leaflets where they are in the box. This is one of the leaflet which I got for the Sunrise Glow Cream for the last month, and this is the Sunrise Glow Cream. Okay, this is really good. You could see that I used like almost half. You can see this is again a transit breakage, but other than that, all other products was completely received properly last month. So I did mention it to her last month. Again, it's in transit. I understand that they should work on it. They're working on it. I do see a lot of difference. She's taking a lot of effort to put all those bubble wrappings and all, but still it's due to India Post. I'm not sure whether maybe in my area they are mishandling it. I'm not sure again. So this is a wonderful cream, the Glow Cream. I use it at night. It's like anti-tan, I think. So nothing is there on this bottle. It's okay. Sometimes I will see this inside my box, like I used to have everything in a box, like all the DIYs. So I do see this, and I will think, okay, what is this? This is something from Glamitup, and I will not remember what is this actually for, but I keep this leaflet right next to it. Like, this is how I keep it inside the box. So when I see this leaflet, I will understand, okay, this is for this and I can use it, or whether this is the right time to use it, whether I have a tanning problem. Likewise, I conclude what I'm going to use. So but this time I did not get anything like that. But this is a mud mask. I can see this. Again, this is how the sunscreen gel received. I received in the last month box. It says sunscreen gel. It's not gonna go off. Okay, that's not a problem. And all the products which they manufacture, they give 6 months of expiration time. The best before, I think. I'm not sure again, but it's an organic product and it's homemade. They are not using they are not using preservatives at all. I think mostly 90%, 99% they don't use. So it's really good that they don't use such things, and everything is organic. So it is better that we use it within 3 to 6 months, and that information is already shared in their Glamitup page, Insta page, and also she said that to me. That is fine. So I'm not going to use this more than 6 months, but still, if there is a sheet pasted on it or an info leaflet is given, I can keep it and I can check before I use the product. Because in case, like, I am buying a lot of products nowadays, and I get lot for my sisters, for my mother, and for myself, and I again split each and every box, and we will use it according to our usage. So I cannot remember what are all the products which I bought, and whether this is from April month or March month subscription. That is confusing. So I need some sheets like this to be pasted, so I understand what is this. This is the 24 karat gold serum, and I do see particles inside it. I think you can see it. I'm not sure whether my camera is capturing it, and I don't have a better lighting. I'm really sorry about those, guys. I'm working on it. So this is the next product. I'm really happy about this, and I'm also happy about this glow cream. And coming to the next product, this is the roll-on product. So I forgot to give you the cost information. The Glow Girl Mud Mask is for 50 ml and it is for 150. And this is from one of the posts I saw in their page, girls. I'm not sure whether this is the actual pricing, but this is from one of the posts. So I have a handwritten note like this because there is no other sheets. I wanted to take this in a note so that I can say this on this video so that you people know what exactly I'm showing. And this 24 karat gold serum is 20 ml and it says 380 rupees. And this is also, like, everybody liked it, and I did sniffed it. It is really good, like a masculine flavor. Like, it does gives aqua flavor, I think, but it's really good. It smells really good, and it is for 160. I'm not sure about the ml, but this is a very good add-on, I would say, in a box. So this is pocket friendly. What am I saying? It's the pocket friendly in the meaning that we can put it in the pocket and we can just use it. And also, again, it's pocket friendly. It's cheap and better. Cheap in the sense affordable, guys. I'm really sorry. I'm really having problem in talking today because I was a little upset. So this is the next product. You can clearly say there is nothing written on this. Not even with the marker. They didn't write anything. Probably this is the one which was leaking. I don't think so. It does have a spill proof, guys, but still it was leaking. I cannot complain her about that. So probably in transit it is leaking. And this is the Rosemary fresh rosemary shampoo, I think, for 40 ml, 75 rupees. And it doesn't have any sheet pasted on it, or at least a leaflet or a complete info paper. It would be good, or an email if she sent it, that's well and good, but I need something to read and know about that. Okay, even though the ingredients is already shared in their Instagram page, I cannot go and see that each and every time. It's better they share something about the ingredients and till when I can use and what exactly the usage of that product. That would be really great. That is my suggestion to the Glamitup team, and they said okay, they will do it from the month of May. Let's see that, guys. And this is the lip balm. Like, this is tiny. Again, this is travel friendly, not pocket friendly, guys. It's travel friendly, and it's tinted, I think. Let me give it a swatch. I didn't try it. Yes, it did have a little bit of tint. I hope you guys can see it. Yes, it does have a little bit of tint to it, and it does have a normal lip balm smell, the typical lip balm smell, so that goes there. And I'm really happy about the lip balm because these things, you know, this lip balm and this roll-on perfume, this is really travel friendly. We don't want to actually carry something heavy, and in case if we miss, it doesn't matter. That is tiny tiny boxes. In case if we miss, or in case somebody else is asking to share our product, I really don't feel happy to share my product with everyone. Let's say I'm going to a marriage and suddenly my friend comes and asks me a lip balm. If it is like an actual lip balm which we put it directly on the mouth, that is not good to share with our friends or anybody else of matter. But if this is something like this box, like, it's really good and we can share it, so it's not a problem. And this one is, I think, Saffron Glow Cream for 50 ml. I'm not sure about the cost. This is exactly how I saw in Sona Mahapatra video, one of the YouTuber, but it has a paper pasted on it which had the ingredients list and everything about this, but I don't have anything. So how I'm gonna know about this product? This is what I'm telling about. So this is what my feedback to Glamitup box. That is really bothering me because each and every time I use a product, I am really bad at remembering things and ingredients. Even though I use it like once in a week or twice in a week, I read it again to know what is that before I use it. So I'm really bad, and I'm a person who really needs ingredients. So this is the last product, green tea toner, and I'm sorry guys, this was completely full, and I was actually taking video, and I was like trying to open this just to show it on the video, and I dropped it, and half of the toner was wasted because of me. But that was good actually. While I was taking it out and after I dropped it, I saw something inside the box. I'm sorry, inside the bottle. Okay, this is an empty bottle. Okay, this is actually a bath salt which I received. I washed it. This is an empty bottle. You can see a white residue here, that is from this box. I already poured this liquid inside this box to see all those things. Okay, I'm gonna pour it again. Do you see some particles are like there inside it? Okay, I'm gonna take one from that. I did messaged her about these particles. She said those are rose petals. I'm sorry, those are petals. She didn't say what petals are those. She said those are petals. No need to worry about that, and I can still use the product. So what I did is I just dragged one of that particle here, and it looks like a white creamy one. Do you see this? And if I touch it, like, it does dissolve. I think it's some petal she used to get a smell, like I'm not sure. That is one of the ingredient. It is nothing to worry about it, but I'm not sure whether it should actually, that petals should actually be inside this to give that fragrance and give that effect. I'm really not sure, but at least she would have said that with a note. Okay, there are petals and like white particles inside it. Guys, don't worry about that. But there was no such information. That made me bothering. And there is another yellowish thing you can see here. I'm not sure my camera is again capturing it correctly. So that is also one of the particle. Like, it's like, it also looks like an yellow leaf. So but it does smells good, guys. There is no problem with the smell, or it doesn't feel like, I did tried it on my hand. Okay, I did tried it on my hand, and again I'm trying it. It does smells good, and after applying, if I massage it on my hand, I feel a soft hand. Okay, it does gives the moisture, but I am really afraid to use this on my face. Okay, I'm not sure why, because I see some particles. I'm not sure what those particles are. At least if that information was already given to me, my mind would have said that okay, this is something for good. So now it doesn't feels good about those particles, and I'm completely not going to use this on my face, but somehow I will try to use it in a different way. And this is another product which I received from them in March or April box. I just wanted to show the packaging. This is rose peel off mask. I think you cannot peel it off, but it's like a rose soft mask. It is really good. I still use it. So I showed you 3 different products from them. These are the 3 different products which I know I'm just showing on the camera just to explain. This is not about I'm not actually blaming them, or I'm not actually complaining. I want something to be developed so that I feel good about using all these products. Okay, after a month or 2, if I'm gonna see this, I'm gonna completely think, what is this? What is the purpose of this? So even though you do everything correctly, if you're not giving enough information about each and every product, then how I'm gonna use it? That is my big question, guys. And but literally I like their products, and I'm gonna keep on purchasing from them. There is no doubt on that. But I hope they change this and everybody feel good. And when I saw in Sonam Mahapatra video, there was portlays, and it felt like amazing seeing that video. And I imagined myself, I dreamt myself I'm gonna receive such a packaging, but I didn't get that. But that is what disappointing me. Not only me, each and every customer will be thinking about the product which we placed and order. We will dream about it. Okay, it's gonna come in this condition and that condition, and if we don't get that the way which we saw, that's gonna feel bad, right? So this is just a suggestion from my end. And guys, please do share your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. And this is a very long video, I'm really sorry about that, but I just wanted to share my my suggestion and my feeling after seeing this box after a long time again. So that's all, guys. If you are already a subscriber to my channel, thanks a lot for your support. And if you're new here, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell button so that you will not miss out any of my videos. And have a great day, guys. Bye bye. Thank you.